You didn't fail because you were too weak. You failed because you were too polite with your potential. You keep trying to optimize your routine while your soul is screaming for revolution. You journal, you manifest, you vision board your way around the one truth you've avoided for years. You've been doing the right things in the safest possible way and calling that growth. I'm the Dark Light Mentor. I don't do comfort. I don't do permission. I do truth in its final form, the kind that scars. And I'm here to tell you what your fake mentors won't. Your strategy isn't broken. Your standards are. You don't need better goals. You need to become someone who no longer accepts diluted effort. You want change, but you're still married to convenience. You chase success like it's a prize, when it's a war. And every time you say, "I'll start tomorrow," or "At least I tried," you sign a peace treaty with the version of you that's ruining your future. You're addicted to motion, not progress. You scroll more than you act, and then call it research. Here's your first test. Think of one thing, just one, that you've been working on for over 6 months. Now stop. Ask yourself, why isn't it done yet? Not perfected, not polished, just done. Whatever story your brain spits out next, that's your personal prison. And every word of that story is a brick you laid with your own hands. Brick by brick, delay by delay, dressed up as logic, strategy, or waiting for the right time. You like to think you're disciplined because you make detailed plans. Cute, but discipline isn't what happens when your calendar is clear and your coffee is hot. Discipline is what kicks in when the plan falls apart and your mood tanks. And you move anyway. You think you're self-aware because you journal or overthink. But reflection without correction is just intelligent procrastination. You've made a habit out of staring at your potential like it's a trophy. But potential isn't power. It's unconverted fuel. And I'm here to light the match. Because here's the bitter truth you keep choking on. You can be smart. You can be articulate. You can even be right and still lose. If your actions don't have teeth, the world will chew you up and forget you ever existed. You don't need another app, another book, or another course. You need to become the kind of person who follows through like it's the last breath in your lungs. Because for the life you claim you want, it is. Second test coming, but not yet. Because if I handed it to you now, your old self would try to plan it out. Number, you need to do something ugly, something uncomfortable, something that breaks your old rhythm so violently, your new self has no choice but to wake the hell up. And once you've done that, then we talk. Comment below. What's the one thing you've been pretending is in progress, but you know should have been finished months ago? Name it. Drag it into the light. Make it bleed. Drop your answer below. If you dare, like this video, subscribe, and slap that bell icon like it's the alarm clock ringing at your own funeral. Because if this video made your chest tighten, it means your real life hasn't started yet, but it could. Today, next time, I'll show you what to do after the breakthrough, when your old identity tries to crawl back and reclaim its throne. But until then, don't fix your life. Set fire to the blueprint.